Hello, good people. Two of my fellow creators sent me some gifts, and I'm going to show you what I made. Cass Williams sent me these sticks that are decorated. They're pattern craft sticks. Belinda sent me this huge box full of fabric and beads and paper and all kinds of goodies. So I took the craft sticks that Cass sent me and a piece of the fabric that Belinda sent me. I put them together to make a pair of earrings. I put the craft stick in my Glowforge and cut 2 earring pieces, and then I got a little piece of wood. I got this pack of wood from Dollar Tree quite a while ago, and I cut a piece of the fabric that Belinda gave me and attached it to the wood using white glue and put it in my Glowforge also. After I attached the fabric, I painted the back of my wood. And I cut 2 more pieces in my Glowforge. Now I'm going to use a jump ring to join my 2 pieces. To finish up, I add my ear hooks, and I'm using pendant clasp ear hooks so I don't have to use any more jump rings. And now I have a fun pair of earrings made with gifts from some of my co-creators. All right, good people, this is Sherry. If you're new here, I am the owner and designer of Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I love these earrings. They look so happy. Let me show you my little display that I made from a picture frame, acrylic picture frame from Dollar Tree. I just put some little holes in it and turned it upside down. And it makes a nice, cute little display. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.